What's up everybody, this is Pablo from Style Systems over here, your exclusive and personal image consultant. For more information go to stylesystems.com.mx so you can find out everything that I do. Now in this video we're going to cover something very simple, which is how to look good in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to give you some fundamentals so that you can start improving with your style and with your fashion. The first thing of course is what you see me wearing right now. Color. You need to bring some color into your life, man. Stop wearing these comfort color clothes, which is navy, gray, black, white. Everyone is wearing the same thing. You need to wear some different colors in your life so you can look better and stand out, positively stand out. But here is some steps that you need to follow, because just by wearing some colors does not mean that you can wear just any color that you like and then you're gonna look good. No, there's a study that image consultants apply to our customers that is called the colorimetry test or the colorimetry study. It is a study where we pay attention to the eyes, to the hair, and to, of course, the skin tonality. With that being said, we just have to find out how the light bounces in our skin, in our eyes, and in our hair. Because basically color is light. So we need to pay attention to that. But you know, if you don't want to become an image consultant, or if you don't have the money to hire an image consultant, I'm going to give you a very quick tip so that you can realize what type of skin tonality you have. Which, by the way, there's only two type of skin tonalities. This is very basic, you know. Of course, there's more to it. If I give an example, the first is there's either cool skin tonality or warm skin tonality, which is the second. There's something in between which is neutral, but it's either tends to go more cool or more warm. After you know this, then you can start implementing some new colors into your life. Very briefly, very basically. So how to know if you have a cool skin tonality? You need to look at your veins and see if they are a little bit more greenish or if they tend to go a little bit more bluish. If they tend to go a little bit more bluish, that means that you have full skin tonality, and if they go a little bit greenish, that means that your skin tonality is a little bit more warm. So with that being said, implement some colors into your life. The next thing that I want you to do is, of course, put on a blazer. Put on a blazer, man. Whether you're a man or a woman, if you put on a jacket, it's layering your outfit. The moment you start layering, it means that you know what you're doing in coats and you look better. So when you add layers into your outfit, you're gonna look a little bit more fashionable, more stylish. So put on a blazer. That, of course, it needs to combine with your shirt, but for that I'm going to leave it on another video. Maybe on another video I will teach you more in regards colors, but if you're more interested in knowing about colors, how to combine them and everything, then you need to go to stylesystems.com.mx, because I have a whole product talking about pure colors, a book and a video series, you know. So when you add up this, then you add up structure as well. So you need to layer. That's the first one. The second one, here's the second one. Accessories. That's right, you need to accessorize. It's very simple. It needs to be subtle. Of course, it depends on the style that you want and that you have, but my recommendation is that you make it more subtle, more simple, because you don't want to be like, oh, just shouting. You want to calibrate your fashion. So if you want to look good in less than 5 minutes, just start throwing in some accessories. For example, you see me wearing my handkerchief here right now, a little ring, and then some beads. That's it. You don't have to do any more. Now, if you want to bring it a little bit different, now you can even start putting some things in your lapel. You can throw in some pins. Get creative, you know, maybe you throw in a scarf, something that, of course, adds layers as well. But it's also about accessories. You need to accessorize your outfits. Don't be so simple, don't be so plain. The next thing, think about proportions. Now, I'm overdoing it right now, but I don't know if you can see the difference between the outfit, how I was wearing my outfit on the last scene, than how I'm wearing it right now. You can see it on the color of my shirt, how I'm wearing it outside of my blazer. Now I changed the pocket square, so it's different. Now maybe you're gonna be like, well, I don't like it, but it's not a matter of if you like it or not. It's a matter that you need to think in terms of proportion and of silhouette. What is the proportion of your outfit? Because it looks different. Just look at me, how I look like this. I look like a fucking mobster out of Miami, straight out of Miami. Think about it. There you go. I just changed it again. There you go. And I don't know if you can see it, the difference. You can see the difference in the proportions and in the silhouette, how it creates a different vibe with the same outfit. So if you want to look good in less than 5 minutes, just think about the colors that you're wearing, wear some colors. Then, of course, use some accessories into your outfit. Then, of course, you need to add up layers as well. Add up some layers into your outfit, don't be so plain. Then, of course, you need to think of the proportion overall, the silhouette that your outfit is creating. What are the focal points of your outfit? Is it on the upper side of your body? Is it the lower side of your body? You can just throw in some jeans and a white t-shirt and some blazer, and there you go. That's an outfit on its own. If you want to get more in depth with this subject, then I suggest that you go into my website and you just browse, just look around the beautiful products that I have in store for you guys, because I have one that is called Shopping 101, How to Dress for Less, which I'm not talking about just about money. I'm talking about the time and the effort, everything. You need to learn the fundamentals so that you can do it as a part of you without even thinking too much about it. You throw in your outfits without having to spend all type of money, without thinking too much about it. So go in there and just look it up. So that's it for today. This was a very basic video, but this is just to make you more aware of the things that you can start doing, because it's really simple, man. If you want to start improving with your style and with your fashion, it's really that simple. But you need to think outside of the box. Stop paying attention to people that is telling you only what is good for them. Because you see, you're getting the perception from them, like, this is what I like, so this is how you should be wearing your things, this is how you should be dressing yourself. And it's not about that, man. It's literally all about you, your essence, to be congruent with yourself. But you can look good in less than 5 minutes. So why don't you take that extra effort, become the best version of yourself. Leave me your comments, subscribe to my channel, share this, and of course I will see you in the next one.